Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a Firebase Studio. It is a powerful tool. It's a part of the Firebase platform by Google. If you are a student or someone new to backend service, this video is going to give you a clear understanding of what Firebase Studio is. So what it can do and how you can start using it and how you can build real world apps. So without any wasting of time, let's go to our topic. So just search in Google for Firebase. This app is recently launched by Google. So this is the website, actual website. As a student, you might be building projects for your college. So you don't need to write any code. Just come to this application. This will generate you the whole code. So here the part they given that introducing Firebase Studio. So this is the interface, starting interface they provided. So I'm clicking on the get started. I click on the get started. Let me see what it will show after it. So here the options they are provided, built, and everything they provided. So you go through it. So after clicking on it, I got this interface. Here they are displaying that how we need to use this Firebase Studio. So by seeing this, we get some idea how to use this Firebase. So if we type something in this console, so it will generate us the code. So let me try Firebase Studio. Let me see what it's going to be display. So at the first, it is asking for me to log in into the Google. So after clicking on it, it's taking some time. So you need a Google account. If you are already logged into your browser, it automatically collects your data and display like this. So here I built two application already using this Firebase Studio. So I am asking here again for TikTok game, a simple game. I'm showing you a simple application how it is going to generate the code. So I'm typing here for the game. So I typed this all thing here. So if you want to add an image, you can also add image, and coming to here, you can also import your project. And these are the languages what this application is going to be supported. There are a lot of languages: Go, Flask, Java, .NET, everything. So I'm trying to click on this prototype with AI. Let me see what it's going to be generated to me. What kind of code is going to be generated. So it will take some time to load the application. If you are a student, you might be building projects for college or learning app development on your own. So this Firebase Studio helps you focus on building features instead of setting up servers or writing complex backend code. So don't waste time on writing the code. This application is generated a lot of code to you. So here is the thing it is generated. So the first one is board display. It generated me a board, that square shaped board, 3x3 matrix. So these are the features it offered. If you want to add some features, or if you want to add some colors or anything, you can just give it to the AI. So it will add here. If you want to add features, it will add here, or if you want to add guidelines or anything, it will add to here. So just type here and just send it. So it will automatically add it here. So I'm going with without adding anything. As this I'm proceeding. So click on prototype to this app. So it will write the code. Yeah, the code is going to be generated. So here, if you see here, the AI is totally generating the code. So observe it carefully. After completion of the code, the best part is it is checking for the error. If you see some other apps like Cursor, if you see that, it will not check for the error. It automatically generate the code. So best part in this Firebase. So the code is generated. So here is the box, but the box is not visible. So if you want to edit the code, you can click it here, or if you want to edit the code manually, you can click it here. So I will show you what will happen. Yeah, here you can edit your code by your own. So this is the code the AI is generated. So it generated me a lot of stuff within the seconds. So if you want to add your ideas, or if you want to write your own code, if you want to modify anything in this game, you can add it here. Just and you can also publish after completion of updating the code. So I'm going to back. So if you want to change any changes, you just ask the AI. So it will change everything for you. It will take some time. So here it displayed me this game. So I clicked here first step, and second one, the first player, second player, first player, second player. Yeah, wins. So it generated me the game without any errors. And it is also generated the code very fastly, accurately. If you want to edit some particular part, you can go through this option and click on the part which one you want to edit. So here Owens I want to edit. So go through it to change that thing. If you don't like these fonts, or if you want to change the interface of the game, you just click on and select that particular part and type what interface you would like to have. So this is an best feature by the Firebase. So this is the most interesting part in this Firebase. It is a cloud-based application, so we can scan this QR code by our mobile phone, and we can access this game through our mobile. And you can also share this game to anyone. You can also share any applications to any of your friends, or you can also upload in your GitHub also. So that is the best thing in this Firebase. And you can also view this game in full screen, so it will take time. Yeah, it is generated in the full screen mode, and that's it. These are the features it added in this application. So it is a good application. So I think you should try, everyone should try this application. So before we wrap up, take advantage of Firebase free trial and utilize it carefully. You score your projects.